down the hill.
Boss.
Quick towards the front of the green.
Yo,
Just stay on the. Yeah, it looks like it just
boss.
front of the green. So we'll have that for
Yo,
11 under.
man. Yo, shit. Oh, what was that? What was that? You hear that? Oh, I know you hear that. Look, listen. Listen. Listen.
Second round action.
Yo, it's over here. It's over here. It's coming from over here. I knew it. It's over here, man. I'm telling you, it's over here. Yo, you hear that? Do you hear? Wait a minute. Yo, it was you. I knew it. Why you mess with me? I knew it. Oh, I hate it when you mess with me like that, man. I thought we were homies. I thought we were friends. But no, there you go around messing with me, man. You know I'm afraid of the dark, man. What's up with that, man?